So I'm gonna open up this box that I got today. It is a kitchen oil infuser from a company called Levo. I've been making butters and stuff for a while using a crock pot like this with some cheesecloth. It's just a pain and a mess to clean it, and I wanted to upgrade. So seen this product and heard about this product on a radio show. Thought I'd give it a shot. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. It hopefully is in a nice blue color, almost Tiffany blue, to match all the other appliances in your kitchen. So they have many colors to choose from. So you're never going to be too sure. Double boxed. That one out of the way. So there's the box. If you've ever infused anything, you probably know how hard it is to infuse your herbs and stuff into your oils and butter. But yeah, this will help you a lot. It's got settings to decarb and dry products in your herbs ahead of time. So that when you go ahead to add your oil, your butters, anything that's really not alcohol based, it should be able to infuse those products. They have a ton of recipes on their website, so you can choose from, gummy bears to butter to, oil for that matter. So, but it comes with a little package, 3-year warranty. It's basically like the Keurig of oil infusion. So when you open it up, don't this box anymore. You open it up, what you get. So there it is. So it's also equipped to work with your cell phone, so that you can go ahead and have timers and things of that set, so you know where your product is and how far along it is, so you can go ahead and time your day throughout that. They have a little infuser for your herbs. A little infuser for your herbs. You put your product in here, and then you cap it, and you're all set to go. And then get a closer look on the product. Kind of see it here. Nice LCD screen, pretty nice reservoir. You can hit the button and it releases the reservoir so that you can take it out to clean everything. It makes it so much easier to use. Mason jars fit right underneath. Just hit the button and it strains out. So power cord has a nice little tuck spot, so when you're not using it, you can put it away for even easier cleanup. So yeah, I mean, that's basically it. So let's put that in there. Keep these all together. So on this video, I just did the unboxing video of the Levo oil infusion machine for dry herbs. You can also infuse butter. Basically anything that's not alcohol based, you will be able to infuse herbs into liquids or whatever it might be. So in the box, what you got is this guy here. You get a bunch of information that I gotta read. Today I'm not going to do any infusion. I don't have anything to infuse right now or any need to, but I'm sure I will shortly. Where to download the app, some free sticker magnets, quick start recipe, which I already looked at, is pretty cool. On the back, you have information here for the different types of oils and stuff and the temperatures to set the actual infuser so that you don't burn or smoke your ingredients. So this is very helpful. It's got smoking points and temperatures. It's also got elevation, which is important when infusing things. If you want a clean, accurate, precise product, you're going to really want to look at that. I will also probably look at other recipes. I have some things in mind for products that I've already done before, so I'll probably start with those and then venture off into other things that I haven't tried, such as like maybe some gummy bears or some ice cream or other things that I've made in the kitchen but have not used an infused product in it. So other cool things is it kind of shows you what's in your product, what different pieces they are and where they go, and how to set and use it. The reason why I picked this machine, this is the Levo 2 unit over the 1, is that it is adapt to work with your cell phone. So you can set all your timers, you can change the temperatures, you can also monitor progress on your phone for your unit. It will also alert you when your stuff is done or when you're done decarbing, so you can pour your liquid oil into your Levo machine and extract it. Also, the other benefit was a 3-year warranty. Much like the rest of the products in there, you always want a good warranty, so if they stand by it for 3 years, you know it's got to be worth it. They have a user's manual. I have not read this. I haven't done anything but looked for reviews and checked their website and over the years, but that's about it. So I will have to spend some time reading their nice little manual. But for right now, I just want to turn it on and see what it does. So you go ahead and turn the machine around. You have a power port that has a nice tuck spot in it, so you can hide it when you're not in using. So we'll go ahead and unplug this and plug this one up real quick. Alright, so we're in there. This is the power button over here on the end. Music. So obviously it would tell you what you're getting ready to do, if you want to stop and start it, all the rest of the controls. This button here is the one that dispenses the oil into it with their wickless and squeezeless system. You don't have to squeeze your product or your dry herbs when you're done. This thing will literally drain it for itself. The other benefit over some of the other ways that I've used it, like a crock pot, is they have this little easy to clean infusion casing. So you literally put everything in there, have a little rubber strainer in there for you. Comes with a lid that just clips into place. And everything uses magnets in this, so this is actually helpful. So it's got a little rubber magnet on here. So when you put it on the inside of your machine, you have a minimum and a maximum fill level. You literally just stick it in there and it sticks to the side of the pot, so there's nothing to worry about. This is the little tube that wicks the oil down into the mason jar for you, but that's what that looks like. So if you want to put the reservoir back in, drop the reservoir back in there, put that in. There's this little spinny thing in here, and when I unboxed it, my mother came out and looked at it with me and brought it to my attention. It has a magnet in it, and it looks like there's an indent on the inside of the pot for the oil reservoir, so that you would put this in there, and I'm sure this thing spins to mix the oil because it's got little flam blades on it. Pretty interesting design. So I will put that in there. It also has a nice little place here marker for the basket, so you can kind of see things. This is the button to release the jar, or the casing, or pot I should say, so that when you're done you can clean out the oil bin. So other than that, there's nothing to do. And then you select your stuff and you go from there.